Valentine's Day. Well, I'm not doing much because my husband's not in town. He's out of town. He's working. So probably when he come back, we're going to, he said he's going to do something with me. So I am on my way to work. I got to do all day. So I'm going to get my day started. It is what it is. I'm going to start vlogging more on my camera. I've been doing some edits and stuff. So just bear with me. The camera's not bad. I promise you it's not. Trying to get myself together so I can get up out of here. I am going to treat myself to some Benihanas for Valentine's Day. That's going to be my lunch for today. Make sure I got my aspirins. I got my aspirins. My husband just signed his check. Then I'm going to come back. I really got to start finish cleaning up this house, really, honest with you. Been kind of all over the place. So, let's get our day started. So, here I go. And I gotta wash a load of clothes. So I gotta take time out with that too. So, I think we're just 12. So I am leaving out a little earlier. Well, not too early, but leaving out. So I could try to grab something to eat so I won't be too late. So, I'm gonna come in probably tonight and do some cleaning. I think I'm off tomorrow. I think I am. But, so, let's get my day started. I'm not gonna vlog on my camera. I'm gonna start tomorrow on vlogging on my camera. So the one I did start, I'm trying to edit it today. I've been working on that, the edits and stuff on there. So give me a chance. I'll be back. I actually hung up on my mom. I'm on my way to get dinner right quick on my lunch. So Ben, I hope they open. I'm trying to give me something before I go to work. So work with me, deal with me. And see Benihanas, bam, 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 right there. So I'm gonna call my mom right back. I'm gonna do my order. So I'll talk to y'all later. So this is my Valentine's Day. So this is what I'm doing. So I put my order in. It is so cute. Look at it. It is so cute. So my Valentine's Day is at work. So I'm gonna get in my car, get my day started. I gotta wait for a few minutes, pay for my food, and I'm gonna go.
Do you miss me? Do you love me? You don't miss me, you still love me.
Check it out.
Do you miss me? Do you love me? You don't miss me, you still love me.
I don't know what I ordered, but it wasn't the order I ordered last time I came here. But I'm not even complaining. So I'm gonna show y'all when I get in the car what I actually got, and then I'm on my way to work. So happy Valentine's Day for me, to you guys. And this is my brunch. I got salad. These are sauces. I got the soup. You know you gotta have the soup. I got to have the soup. Oh shit. I got my sushi. Yes, California. And I got my, I said veggie what's the name? So I will give my cousin one for Valentine's Day. I bought 2 of them, but I just thought it was gonna just be a veggie one. And they did it, they gave me a little extra. So this is my food. So now I'm on my way to work. Once again, happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to all the family, friends, enemies, people who's going through stuff. Happy Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is what you make of it. So at the end of the day, every day is a Valentine's Day to me. So I'm on my way to work. I don't want to be driving. And if anyone know how to, I need to find a car stand for my phone and my camera. Can y'all please post it? So now I'm on my way to work. I'll show y'all, and we're finna get there. I'm on my way to work. I got about 15 minutes to make it there. So I'm gonna record just a little bit. I'm finna get off of here. I'm finna drive. So this is how. So my doctor called me today. This is my primary care. I saw the stuff going on in my mouth. What's going on? Showed the picture. She got me right. Got ice cream. I was 34. Came and got a car wash. I'm back to work. My Valentine is doing. That's my husband about twice, maybe 3 times. But other than that, I miss him. Wash real quick. Oh, this is slow. So I'm on my way back to work. I have to close tonight, so I am closing my store up tonight. I think I'm off tomorrow. I'll probably go in the guest room tomorrow and do a little cleaning up and organizing in there. I gotta kind of fold some more of my stuff up. Get it kind of more organized. So that's basically what I'm doing for Valentine's Day. My husband is not here. He's on the road, so I won't be able to see him like that. So I'll probably just get his gift when he come back home. I do gotta take time out. The mall been calling me. They've been having new office, and I haven't took time out because I've been working so much. I gotta take time out to go there and check with that guy. So, excuse me. And then I will be finishing my edit up tonight. What I did for my camera. I do remember I bought a 4K digital camera off of Amazon. So I'm gonna go on there and look for what kind of car I get, and look for me a car stand. So I am gonna be doing that too. So I'm digging my mom. so I could vlog on my camera and I could vlog on my phone. So I'm on my way back to work now. And I'm fit to start working out. So I think when I get off work, I might go to the gym and then go home. I'm gonna start doing the gym 5 days a week and doing sit-ups and squats at the house. So I'll be getting that back together, doing that. Y'all take care. I'll talk to y'all later. And I guess y'all see how my day go for the night. See y'all. Sorry for my Valentine's Day. Like I said, I was gonna get something to eat. I went to work. My mouth been hurting, so I'm not gonna be on here too long. So relax. The pill they gave me is not working. I don't know, but I get a pill next week. So